So hello all, welcome back to another great video, and this is Imran here to explain your service now very easy. Yep. So today we are going to see about catalog item and what is catalog item and how can we use it actually. So let's make it a scenario. So you are going to join in a new company, and in that company, if you're going to HR and signing for the first day, there is so much of legal things has been will be handed over there, and you'll be signing so much of documents, and you'll be getting a first level of credentials, right? So for that you'll be going to pinging your HR, and if you're going to ping your HR for the email ID and official email ID, and so you're going to ask for the laptop or system, whatever you want, and you're looking for a bag which is a welcome kit, and what are the things have been involved in that? What is the onboarding process? Will be it's too hectic, right? So if it will be done with a physical or it is a manual process means it takes so much of time. So for that, so here ServiceNow make it this clear, and it makes so simple. So let's dive into that, which is called which is called service portal, or kind of employee center, ESC. Wait, if I put here, which is okay, put C, put here, it will navigate to employee center. So if you want to go from your instance, you can click here. See, you can check this URL is ESC, employee center. Okay, so here if you have any kind of issues, you can raise here, you can raise whatever issue in here, you can able to add it. So if you want on board, let me, okay, wait, new hire, I think, I don't know the remember the name. Yeah, new hire. So here you can able to see that describe your needs, choose options, and the summary. Yep. So here you can see that service overview, and here the perks, what will be involved in that, and which is software access, and what the standard package will be detailed below. Yeah, see, you will be create the email account creation, and will be that this will be done by, which is um, done by yourself, which is you can give your own, which is give your own personalized um willing email address, which is a suffix of your the organization. Yeah, so you'll be getting a Lenovo Carbon one, which is I think it's a laptop, I think, and one external monitor, and MS Office suite, which is kind of what are the official needs for this softwares. Yeah, so this is hiring manager, which is a software manager, which includes requirement hiring managers who was you have to check with that. You have let me Alejandro Mascal. So what group in this position joining? So I'm choosing IT. So will be remote employee. Let me choose yes. Reported. I'll choose yeah. I don't need anything standard. No, nothing else. Yeah, it's going forward. C. you'll be getting a standard laptop. If you want, you can add Adobe Acrobat, Adobe Photoshop. See, the price is about 1,200 dollars. Yeah, so we're going to order this. Yeah, see, and the monitor specification, which is 24-inch, 27 inches. So email creation, we have to give. Let me see. Wait. Um. Say, Kali Haji 12345 @gmail.com. It will be okay. If you want corporate VPN, it will also be added. So you're going for the next step. Okay. So summary and order now. Okay, we have to give relevant information. Okay, let's give test. If it's not a mandatory, it's an optional. You can able to see it. Yeah, check it out. See, your requested item is this, and these are all will be ordered. So let's come back to this. This is one of the just one of the order, and let's come to the back here. Click laptop. Top. Okay, let's order this one. So we are going to order this one, which is $1,600, and I need all of these. Okay, so let me order it now. Yeah, check it out. It's not a this is a requested for who I'm requested for. So it's in a stage of waiting for approval, and hit approved, order fulfillment, deploy development, and request cancellation completed. So yeah, so these are the stages have been involved. So this will be automated with workflows. So workflows is a very good concept. In upcoming days, I'll definitely share the entire details of the workflows. Yeah. So what is this actually? What is this? We ordered. Say you can ask what I'm wrong. So you can able to check your requested in my request. See, I have I have made one request item, which is four requested items, and one request, and one requested item, and one request. See, what is this? Four requested item and one requested item. See, if you're going to an Amazon, so if I'm going to Amazon, if I going to add to cart, so I'm going to add to cart, and not only for this, I'm going here and making add to cart. See, let it load. And no, so we don't need this. So let's make add to cart and add to cart and add to cart. Okay, fine. So see, we have go here, go to cart. See, you can able to see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items, and if I check out, it will be proceed as a one request. So for example, this is will be nice understanding for you, which is a 5 items, and you'll be having the one request. See, the refund process and the canceling item is it's a different thing. So for as of now, I'm just showing that you'll be ordering one product, which is one product. It is one requested item and one request. If you're ordering, which is multiple order item, which is multiple item and gives one request, which is called order guide. So one item and one request is a catalog item, and multiple items and one request is a order guide. And apart from that, we have another thing which is, see, let me tell you, incident. Create incident. See, so if you have any issues, you can make it as a high level incident, which is your email is not working. Yeah, new email request, blah blah blah. If you want, you can check it. Otherwise, let me submit it. So see, you'll be created a new incident from your employee center. See, from my request, you can able to see that. See, you have created an incident here, and you created a request here, and here also you have created a request. What is the difference between the incident and the request? There are two things in catalog item, which is one is a request item, which is a request called catalog item. You can able to get order, and you can get the products or what kind of services. And another one is a record producer, which is you're just producing a record from your employee center. This is you're producing a record, which is called you're creating an incident or problem you'll be creating from your employee center. That is called record producer. There are two things in which is in catalog item, which is you can able to create a catalog item or record producer. Let me show you how what are all the things have been involved here and what is the requested item. Let me copy this here where I can able to check the my request item. See request. If you search for request, see my request in self-service under you can able to see my request. Otherwise, in service catalog, you can able to see this requested items. Let it load. See, you can see that 10001 which we have created. See, we can able to see that RITM, which is the 4 RITM has been created. RITM, what is RITM? Requested item, that is called RITM. In one request, we have created 4 requested items. This is called, which is order guide, which is we are creating one request, a single request, we are requested for 4 items. That is called requested item. So sorry, that is called order guide. So here in request 2, we have requested for one item, which is RITM1, right, for the Mac. So see, this has been, if I open in another window, see, it asks, this RITM has been asked for approval. See, you can able to see that stage is equal to waiting for approval. The variables have been auto populated. The what are all the things have been selected over there, we can able to see here. The everything here you can see this. Wait, yeah, let me open this. Yeah, see here, if I open the new email creation, what are all the fields have been filled over there in request form, that is called variables. See, this is called variables. Sorry, this one, not the one. This one, urgency, and this one, an unattachable. See, in the list format, we used to call it as in list format we used to call it as a columns, and that is also it's a fields, right? But here we used to call as a variables. Okay, yeah. So that only we can able to see here the variables. See, it asks for approval. See, let me waiting for the approval. Who is, yeah? See, approver is Eric Schegler. If we impersonate this person, if I want, I can able to approve this because I'm an admin, right? So I am have a higher level of which is higher level of permission to handle everything, so I can able to approve this. So let me show if this person get the information or not. Yeah, Eric, let me impersonate. And from Eric I'm going to employee. I'm going to employee center. See my tasks. I am also getting into notifications, which is it asked for approval. Approval has been requested. So if this concerned person has approved, it will be automatically proceed to next process. Let me approve here. So actually I am this person, which is now Eric. Eric's Scorada. Yeah, Scorada is because I impersonated. See, the first request has been gone, and another he is the another also see. RITM, this one, yeah, email. Okay, so as of now I couldn't able to see that. Yeah, let me approve this also. Yeah, see, all the task has been completed. Let me end the impersonation. I'm going to the same record. In history we can able to search and we can go to that. Okay, yeah. So let me go to request one. See, state has been approved by this Eric. Okay, so we can able to see that every RTM has been started. See, the stage has been started. You can able to see the activity stream. See, let me refresh it. If I double click that, which is the form header, it will be refreshed. See, stage has been request approved. So here there will be so if this is complete, closed complete, let me save it. Okay, this task has been completed. I'm double clicking this and this has been completed. Let me go to this as well as this as well as this. So let me approve from Oh, I'm sorry, I rejected. Shit. Okay, let me see what will be happening. Yeah, okay, fine. Yeah. See, there's no approvers, but for this, which is for standard monitor, it created a task. What is the task? What is a provide requested service, access or scope task? Let me open the task. The task has been assigned to the specific person to provide a requested service here. What is this? What is the requested thing? The monitor, right? Item. So for each request, this is a thing which is a chain of workflow for the requested item, a catalog item. For each request, we have requested items. For each requested item, we have catalog task. For each catalog task, that will be assigned to us. Some groups or some persons, they'll be work on the task. So if the each task has been completed, see if the task has been completed, then okay, let me add the state here. Okay, let me double tap this and close complete and close complete. So let me make it as I am the one person which is working on this two tasks. If I double tap this, it will be refreshed, and also I will be making this as a close complete. If two task has been completed, see it's not yet completed. Okay, I'm not give yeah. See, close complete was open. Okay, close complete what was or was open. See, the automatically the RITM has been closed complete. It automatically changed. I'm closing the task. The RITM has been closed complete. Yeah. If I refresh, goes for approval again. We'll see. And let me close complete this. So I don't want to go into deep or what will be happen for the next. See, this is also completed, which is core VPN services has been completed. There is no task, so eventually it is automatically close completed. Yeah. So what will be happen to this request? See, order failment, deployment has been cancelled, completed, but request cancelled. If I click here, I can able to see that. See, we have for this we have about two tasks, right? Waiting for approval and access to scope, and two tasks has been completed, and this has been completed. So what will be happened? The next close complete. Everything has been close completed. Yeah. So see if I update this. Sorry. Yeah. If I update this, approved. This has been approved. Requested is been closed completed. If everything has been closed, which is closed completed, it will be, the request state will be closed complete. But here we cancel, right? So that only it's not closed. If we close, everything has been closed correctly, it will be it will be closed complete automatically. So let me check for this. This is RITM 1, right? So I'll go to history, RITM 2. Sorry, request 2. Yeah. See, there is an RITM, there is a task. Okay, let's open. Sorry. Yeah. See, there's an also another request. If I upload, this has been uploaded. Yes, there's no task. And let's update this. Going back to see, it's been uploaded. We'll see what will happen. Let me refresh it. RATM has been opened. Current price. So here another RITM. Oh, same RITM. Yeah. Let me close. See, we have another SCTASK here. If you open this RITM, we can get this. Sorry, this is the last one. See, we have a SCTASK here. What is a task? Refresh it. See, please fill this order. Pull from stock from the order to vendor required. Item has to be ordered. Make sure the check backlog flag and specify estimated delivery. So this is a delivery task. So in this from the inventory team, they need to take that product and they should deliver according to the address. So once it is completed, it can close the task. Yeah, request approved, close completed. Yeah. Here, what will happen? Let me refresh it. See, we'll go to RITM again. It will create another task. See, what? Field service. What is field service? It should be deliver, deploy item to the user. See, it should be deliver. The previous task, which is this procurement, which is we have to check the inventory. So after inventory, move to field service. Once it's been completed, see, let me refresh it. Close complete. Task has been completed. See, the request has been closed complete. As I mentioned before, right? For the last request, we have rejected, so it's not completed. So now it will be completed automatically using flow, right? So this is the thing which is actually working behind the scene. If I go to my task, let me refresh it. My request. See, let me refresh it. Okay, oh, this is the request. So let me check. See, RITM has been completed. See, this laptop has been delivered to my address. Ding dong. Yeah, I got that. See, incident was closed. Not this one. Yeah, this one. Oh, what about that request? REQ. Okay, make sure that not here because it's not completed. So because we have rejected, so it's not completed. So this is how it has been worked. So you can ask Imran, wait, what is that? We have created an incident, right? This is a order guide, and we have saw that order guide and the catalog item. So what is that? So we're going to see email is not working actually. So my request, email is not working. The incident number is we have created right 20 minutes ago, 550. See, incident is 550. So I'm opening this record. See, let's wait for a while. See, so I'm just uh, as a service desk person, so I'll be referring that I'll be sharing knowledge article and anything to resolve this issue. So let me resolve it. See, you can able to get the pop-up for resolution notes and resolution codes, which is re- resolved by. Let me give that solution provided. What is knowledge article provided? Yeah. So let me resolve this. Yeah. See, the state has been changed. Let me come here. Let me refresh it. So boom. See, if I click here, it has been resolved. If we want, we can reopen this. Otherwise, if you want, let me reopen this and we can check that. This is this is from user end. So we, if you want, we can able to resolve it. See, if I refresh this, sorry, is it's again it's in a progress. So if you want, we resolve it. So we can able to resolve it. Yeah, has been closed. Let me close it. Yeah, the incident has been closed permanently. So activity is not showing here, so it's okay, fine. So if I refresh it, it has been resolved. See, it has been closed permanently. The state has been closed. So this is how the record producer as well as a catalog item has been used to make your work easier and more efficient. So apart from this, there are something which is how should we create a catalog item, and how should we need to create a record producer. And for the next set of videos, I'll be sharing this knowledge to you, and you can definitely watch it out and it will be more useful for you. So thank you, take care, tada, bye bye, and see you on your next video. If you have any doubts, please comment below, I'll definitely answer for you. And until then, tada, bye bye, take care.